for the Frame Group service technicians who cycled your AutoProd cup filler. Before powering up the machine, it is recommended that you read the manual in its entirety and manually place with the machine when it ships. The machine is currently set for 3-phase, 60 cycle, 240 volts. We recommend a field service technician to assist you with the startup and training on your machine. Please contact our field service manager to meet your field service requirements.